Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious gravy paneer at home. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, including 200 grams of paneer and essential vegetables. Then, we'll prepare the paneer and create a rich, flavorful gravy base. Finally, we'll combine everything to simmer to perfection, resulting in a truly satisfying and easier-to-make meal for your family and friends. First, let's prepare our main components. Take 200 grams of fresh paneer and cut it into uniform 1-inch cubes. You can lightly pan-fry these until they're golden brown for a slightly firmer texture. Next, we'll begin our gravy base by sautéing 1 large chopped onion until it's beautifully translucent. Then, add 2 chopped tomatoes and cook them down until they form a soft, pulpy paste. Now it's time to build those incredible flavors. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking it for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add your dry spices, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Cook these spices for 2 minutes, stirring constantly to prevent burning. Finally, pour in 1 cup of water or vegetable broth and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Almost there, gently add your pan-fried paneer cubes into the simmering gravy. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the paneer to fully absorb all those wonderful flavors. For an extra touch of richness, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh cream. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro. Serve your homemade gravy paneer hot with fluffy rice, warm naan, or your favorite bread. Enjoy this delightful dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.